Hey guys, my name is Jasper, and today I'm going to give you 6 facts about the Rubik's Cube. There's actually only 5 facts. I just thought there was 6 for some weird reason. Anyway, back to the video. Fact number 1. Rubik's Cube is spelled like this, not like this. Remember that. Fact number 2. The Rubik's Cube was first invented in 1974 by a Hungarian man called Erno Rubik. Fact number 3. It actually took Erno Rubik 1 month to figure out the cube. Before he solved it, he didn't even know if it was solvable. Fact number 5. 4, I meant 4, fact 4, don't hate. The official world record of the Rubik's Cube as of now is 5.55 seconds. And lastly, but not least, fact number 5. The number of ways to mix up a Rubik's Cube is 43 quintillion. Yes?
I'm going up to Stoney's for a little while.
Okay.
I'll be back in about half an hour or so.
Yep. The number of ways to mix up a Rubik's Cube is 43 quintillion, 252 quadrillion, 3 trillion, 274 billion, 489 million, and 856,000. Jasper, how on earth did you remember that number? I've got it right there, stuck to the camera. Now, probably the question you've been wanting to know. Maybe, maybe not. But anyway, can I solve the Rubik's Cube? And the question is, oh no, not the question, the answer is yes. So let's mix this thing up. I'm just, doing editing. There we go. It's mixed up. Let's get solving it. Solved. Yeah. And just for the record, my record at the Rubik's Cube is 17 seconds. Yeah. 17 seconds. Also, I've been to an official Rubik's Cube competition in 2012. So thank you for watching my video about the Rubik's Cube. Like this video if you liked it, subscribe to stay tuned for more videos, and that concludes this video. Allons-y!